In this lesson, we are going to explore and learn the basic components of a drone. The basic components including electronic and mechanical components, and also the frame of it. Here is the isometric view of the drone. First, let's begin with the component that facing forward, which is this one. As you can see, is a camera. This camera can be any camera that can be controlled using microcontroller. We are going to use a GoPro, such as GoPro 9, 10, or even the earlier version of GoPro to attach to the drone. So eventually the drone can live stream the video. The worst case scenario is just take some photos or record some videos. Hopefully it can live stream videos. The component that is on top of it is the gimbal. Gimbal is used to make the drone's camera more stable, especially when the drone is flying in the air. It can be affected by wind. The position can be easily affected by wind or other factors. So we want this camera to record video pretty stably, so we use a gimbal. And then if you look at the top of it, such as here, it is a GPS sensor. The GPS sensor is inside that case, inside that cap. The cap behaves like an antenna. There are some wires attached to the surface of it. So it's antenna receiving signal and send it to the GPS. The GPS data is acquired and sent it to this central processing unit, such as a microcontroller. But over here is such as this device is a video transmitter, transmitting the video to some other transmitters, such as a radio transmitter. And over here on top of the frame, they are the arms. In this drone, there are 6 arms. And each arm attached to a DC motor is a DC brushless motor, which can spin pretty fast and very efficient. And each DC brushless motor connects to a propeller. So together, there are 6 propellers help to lift the drone when needed. And then if you look at here, this is a LiPo, a lithium polymer battery that provides the power to the electronic components in the drone. And besides these basic components, we can add more stuff, such as speed controller, controlling the speed of the drone, of the drone's DC motors, to make it turn left, turn right. We may need to speed up some motors and then slow down some other motors. And then as you can see, the feet of the drone are just the rings. This is just one kind, it's just one type of the feet to reduce the damping, reduce the shaking when the drone just landed. And besides the ring shape feet, we have tube shape feet. And then we also have just put nothing, just the legs itself without the ring, without the pipes.